The STAR screening report helps teachers identify which students are performing at or above benchmark. It also shows which students are tracking towards proficiency of your state's summative assessment. The screening report makes it easy to set priorities for instruction and intervention.
All our decisions are based on data. We also have a pretty strong RTI component going on in the building. So we look at data, we do interventions, we do enrichment, but we look at all this data and we try to differentiate and tailor the education for each student based on that data. And I think the expectation in our building now is that we hold 3 huge data meetings a year. We bring all the teachers in throughout the day. We use our data to guide our instruction, and the expectation is that as a classroom teacher, you're looking at data and you're deciding, do I need to stretch a student? Do I need to intervene? Do I need to go talk to an intervention specialist? We use data to make that decision, and we use our data to decide what we do as far as RTI, and then decide whether to evaluate or not.
Once educators have identified the level of support and instruction each student needs, they can easily set individual goals using the goal-setting tool included with STAR assessments. This tool is specially designed to help teachers set the most appropriate goals for each student. It gives teachers helpful resources and guidance so they can be confident they are setting the right goals. After goals have been set, teachers can track each student's progress toward their goals using the Student Progress Monitoring Report. This easy-to-read report clearly shows if students are on target to meet their individual goals. Reviewing and discussing this data periodically helps teachers know what's working and what still needs work. With this information, teachers can adjust their instruction or intervention and ensure all students are on the right path.